Play is the highest form of research. It's where we experiment with identity, we take on new personas, and engage with other players. As with all games, there are rules. There's a conflict, there's drama, there are friendships to be made, and rivalries to be discovered. Everything a successful entrepreneur needs to succeed in competitive business, and everything that makes you an interesting and engaging person has an in-game analogical equivalent. I'm Matt Sherman, and this is Geek Psychology, where I share my tips and insights to help you play life better. You know what it's like to take on a goal that seems impossible. We've all been there, from the first time that we booted up a new game to the time that we beat the final boss in our favorite RPG. We're no strangers to hardship, but every challenge we face teaches us something. So here are 5 lessons that you've learned from games and how you can use them in real life. Number 1, you know the difference between the main story and what's just a side quest. So plot out your quests and get clear on what's important to you. Number 2, you know how to keep moving forward when things get tough, and they always do. So list out 5 tangible benefits you'll have after you've accomplished your goal to keep you motivated. Number 3, you know how to make friends with people who might otherwise never see eye to eye with you. So be curious about other people and always look for dialogue threads that are win-win. Number 4, you know that there are multiple ways to accomplish any goal, and you're not afraid of trying them all. So brainstorm 5 different ways that you or someone else could accomplish your goal, and then take action. Number 5, you know that playing to win isn't always about winning at all costs. It's often about pushing yourself to get good and be brave enough to take on a challenge that you'd otherwise consider impossible. List the big successes that you've had because you weren't successful before you were successful, and then review them when you're feeling stuck or down. So there you have it, 5 ways that being a gamer has helped you become an expert at being a human. If you're looking for more ways to hack your personal growth, then check out the Hero Maker framework. And in the end, it's all about making your life better by reminding yourself that you've always had what it takes to be the hero of your own story. You have everything you need inside you to go from NPC to hero, to go after that job promotion, to write the book that you've been dreaming of, or to stand up for yourself when someone's being a jerk. And everyone here in the Geek Psychology community's got your back too, because we know that you've got a lot of amazing stuff inside of you. And we can't wait to see you in action. Game on.